Garden of the Gosh.
A pretty cool hotel tour.
The land of sunshine.
Is that their phrase?
I don't think so. Morrison, Colorado. Funny, last time we went to Colorado, we were here for the Swingers Hotel.
Sure was.
We will be staying at the Cliff House Lodge, which is themed cabins with private jacuzzis and hot tubs. We learned about this place when we passed it last time we were in Colorado and saw a sign that said themed cabins, and what do you know? We came back for it. It's right near Red Rocks Amphitheater. I would love to see a show there someday. Unfortunately, Corey put a no on the Chris Tomlin show.
All right, we gonna go for a hike? Or should we just go to an REI and put on some new outfits?
I like that idea better. Hot tub cottages. Now we're talking. Already make a friend?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Wow, look at your eyes.
Wow, you're so pretty.
Oh, yeah?
My gosh.
Okay. Come on.
Hot tub. All right.
Just a kid in King Arthur's court over there.
Nice. Oh. Holy moly, with a stained glass. Yeah, that's a gold tub. Look at those chairs. We've always wanted to sit in chairs like that. With chess? Jeez, okay. Skylight shower. We've got a dragon. We also have a dragon hatching. I don't know if you've noticed, so popping out babies in here.
And
Oh my gosh, our favorite Shark Tank product. What's back there?
private for
Oh, where we're gonna have our breakfast.
no glass.
Little cauldron, check it out.
Make sure you called her in. It's his birthday.
Oh,
Very phallic shaped encasing with a handle.
yeah, I see it. Not to rush it, but when do we get in there? Just kidding, let's go see some of the other cabins and then we'll settle in. So far, every cabin we've seen has a unique ashtray outside, and this one is my favorite. Just found out Cliff House Lodge is cannabis friendly. That explains all the cute ashtrays. So we're making a quick stop. Secured the bag.
Consider us dispensed.
That's a sturdy looking bed. Oh, look. I'm just a country boy. You should know that song if you've been in my family for a decade. What's the chorus?
Next.
Check the next. These vintage nudes, which are very stunning. I would say tasteful. Every nude to you is tasteful. This vanity is beautiful, straight out of Beauty and the Beast. I love it.
Tell you what I'd like to imagine. There's no people.
Oh, all right, boys, get back.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's about time we hit our tub.
Yeah, for sure.
See ya. Tub time. Well, well, well. If it isn't breakfast and some eggs.
Nice. C-3PO's having a good time over here. That's a cute little town.
The cutest town.
It was nice to go to a restaurant that's walkable.
We had a rooftop tavern dinner that was delicious and included a pretzel that was larger than my hand.
Would you like Rocky Road ice cream better if it had no marshmallows?
No! Take the nuts!
Take the nuts! Oh, you do not take the nuts. You know that sheaths don't make noise when you put swords in them?
Sheets?
Sheaths.
Oh.
Sheaths not impressed.
Cliff House Lodge.
Just a stone's throw away from Red Rocks. It's not totally a theme hotel, but it still has some of the attractions of some of the theme hotels we've been to before.
This is the one that leans most heavily into like a fantastical, castle vibe. But there's still like the Western Room and the Pink Rose cabin. Like those are still themed. They're just not as explicitly fantasy themed, I think. But I do like that this place seems very like romantic and adult, kind of private, and at the same time you're right by a lot to walk to and right by Red Rocks. Like you wouldn't run out of things to do. If you came for a weekend, it would be super romantic and fun.
Yeah, it's cozy with a little bit of fantastical charm.
Exactly. You have so many amazing elements that make it such a romantic setting, not only the view and all the activities nearby.
It's also just pretty rare to have a private hot tub in your own yard. That is definitely a very romantic element.
It would be really fun to go to a Red Rocks show, stay here, come back, have a nice time in the hot tub, enjoy the champagne, the tubs, the robes, the room, maybe the patio. I'm into it.
I won't blame you all if you came a lot.
What? To private hot tubs, gold jacuzzis, and big old snoozies.
Taking a quick break?
Taking a fast break.